Hello, welcome to the Forex Hobbyist YouTube channel. I just created this channel to share my hobby Forex trading with you. I finally developed a plan which seems to be working for me, but it may not work for anyone else. But anyway, let's share it and see what other people have to say. Um, this is not any finance advice or anything, or any Forex advice for that matter. It's just purely sharing the plan that I've created for myself and how I use it to trade with. So I put together 10 points here um, of my plan, which outline the basics of it. And so the first thing is that I only ever trade the Australia US and New Zealand US dollars. Those two pairs are fairly well correlated to each other. And so that's what I trade. I trade at 5 a.m. Pacific time to catch the 8 a.m. New York opening. Because I'm on the west coast. When I say I only trade the Australian and New Zealand pairs, I only ever buy the Australian pair and sell the New Zealand pair. So those are the only trades I take: buy Australia, sell New Zealand. Position, I have a scaling size limit that I use. I had a 5K account last year that I started with, and so I would trade 40K. When I added another 5,000 in cash to it, then I would trade 50K and so on all the way up to it's 10K now. So I can trade 90K. If you look up the top, it's a little over 10K. Position limits, I never hold more than 4 trades open at any one time, and I never place more than 3 positions on one pair at a time. So it's 4 in total, or 3 per pair. Entry logic is that I re-enter winners only when the pair is 50 pips in drawdown. So what that means is that if, like this pair here in the New Zealand is a good example, I bought it here yesterday when the market opened. I sold it, and it went against me up to here. It's $400 in drawdown right now, but it still hasn't reached 50 pips. So I have this little marker I use here just for a quick reference. Tells me where 50 pips are. So I would have to wait until this got up to 50 here before I would take another sell. And so there's lots of reasons for taking another one, even though this is in $400 drawdown. And one quick explanation is, if you take another one, because it's come up so far, at least 50 pips, that's a long way for New Zealand to move. If you take another trade, well, now you've got 2 trades that are going the right way, so to speak. This one's going to be getting less drawdown, and this one's going to be in profit. So you can catch up fairly fast when it turns the other way. Anyway, that's for a later time. I always aim for 10 pips. So if this happened to come all the way back down here and take out this take profit, I would get $100. So my drawdown, obviously, I do not use a stop loss. I never use a stop loss, and I just keep holding and keep taking more trades, actually. Margin rules, this is very important. Never trade with less than 150 on my account. I never do. Up here, we're at 319 right now, so we're comfortable with Forex.com, and I'm sure most brokers are the same. If you get down to 100%, they will automatically start closing out your positions. So that's not a good thing to have happen. The psychology and discipline, I don't use any news. I don't be impulsive, and I always follow my timing and rules, and never deviate from the plan. This is quite difficult, as everybody knows. You always tend to think, well, you look here and you think, oh, it's gone up so far, it's probably going to come down. I know it hasn't reached 50 pips, and I know it's not 5 o'clock in the morning, but I'll just sell anyway because I'm sure that's going to be good. Well, it's never good because it's like 9 o'clock in the morning now almost, and if you do that, first of all, I'm outside of my trading hours. Second of all, I haven't followed the 50 pip rule. And thirdly, more than likely, it's just going to keep going up and up. And so you'll end up like way more in drawdown than you want. And then it's going to take even longer to pick it back up. So anyway, that's just the thing. Stick to the plan. Don't change. Well, thank you for listening to the quick overview I have here. I'll make some more videos as we go along and share my actual plan. And I'm not sure how I'll do that, step by step, I guess. Well, thanks for watching.